where to put them, but do that much, okay? Okay? Track right here.
-1 minus 1.
Okay, I want you to be careful right here. Go back in your paper and make a correction, because it's -1 minus 5. Not 5 minus -1. On your paper, you have 5 minus -1. It's -1 minus 5. Okay? B, watch. 6 minus -1. You had that part correct. For C, is -3 minus 5. You have that? Okay, so now let's finish it. What did you get for 12 divided by 4? 3. -1 minus 5 is -6. So make that correction. B to the what power? What do you have in your paper? B to the what power?
7.
Good. C to the what?
-8.
Okay, correct. That's correct. But now, let's talk about where things go. Ms. Smith, tell me where things go. I need you up that phone and focus on me. Where do things go? I have negative exponents. Where do they go?
At the bottom.
Okay, which exponents, which variables go to the bottom? Now McGee's gonna do it for us. Which variables go to the bottom, McGee? Which variables? A, B, C, or D? I'm gonna give you a clue. 2 of them go to the bottom. Shh. A and what?
C.
Thank you, sir. So, Mr. McGee, Dr. McGee, 3, B to the 7, McGee. What goes on the bottom, sir? A to the what power? A to the what power? A. A to the what power? That's 6. Remember when it goes to the bottom, what happens to the exponent? It becomes what? And C to the what? 8. That's our answer.
Why is that?
That's our answer. Okay. Okay, now, Ms. Lee, what was your question? You just had a question.
Why doesn't the answer that's not?
What you say?
Why?
Because we don't like to leave exponents negative. We're not gonna leave exponents negative.
Why?
Okay? All right. Question.
I said why.
We can, but you're not gonna see them left negative. They're gonna be left positive. This is considered simplified. That's not considered simplified. Okay? But both of these are right, but they're gonna look at it for it like this, okay? Okay. All right. Let's go to 39. Let's talk 39 together because I want to make sure y'all have 2 problems for homework. Here we go. Okay. Vasquez. Walk us through 39. Are you on 39 with us? Okay. Are you on 39 with us? Vasquez, walk us through it. Tell me what power we're using here. What rules are we using here? Shh. Okay. What'd you do with 9 and 36?
Divide them.
She simplified 9 and 36. Right? Anybody have a disagreement with that? She took 9 over 36. To what power though? Third power. Okay, right here. T. I'm gonna leave a T down here. T to the what? 2/3, right? Taking the what power? Third power. Okay, what did you get for 9 over 36?
1/4.
You got 1/4. So it's 1 over 4t. Take it to the third power. Times. What do you do with these 2 exponents, Mr. Fobbs? Okay, what is 2/3 times 3? 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So it's gonna be t to the what power? Second power.
Yeah.
Okay, so that t squared is positive. Okay, look here. Now we still have this to the what power? Third power. Go to your calculators and type in 1/4 to the third power. Tell me what you get. 1/4 to the third power.
1 over 64.
1 over 64. Watch this. That t right there. What is this t taking to what power? Third power. T to the third power. Watch this, guys. T squared is on top.
Wait.
T squared is on top with it. Right here. So 1's not going to change. 64 is not going to change. Mr. Misher, what are we going to do with the 2 and the 3? You divide it. What do you do with the exponents?
Go down.
Okay, do you add them or subtract them? Okay, so what's 2 minus 3, Doc? Is what? Negative 1. So if it's a negative 1, where's the T going to be put? On the top or the bottom? It's going to be on the bottom, so your answer is 1 over 64 T. Write that down. So I'm going to go back through it. Okay. I want to go back through this again to make sure everybody understood what happened. Okay. We simplified 936 to get what? 1/4. T is there, right? 1/4. Taking to what power? Third. So 1/4 to the third power is 1 over 64. T squared is still there. So you have to compare the bases. So when we divide like bases, what do we do to the exponents? We subtract them. So 2 minus 3 is what? And that goes on the bottom. There we go. All right. This is what I want from you. Stay on that page. These are 2 problems you're going to work on. It's going to be 4th grade.
What page was it again?
220, 222, 223. Number 14. Number 42.
Number 14 and 14.
Yep. There we go.